morning. Today we are going to talk about lesson 17, India, my pride. Okay? India as our country, and we are going to talk about our country today. We are known for our diverse cultures. What are the meaning of diverse cultures? Means we have got so many cultures in our country. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Rajasthan to Mizoram. You know, all these north, south, east and west, we have got different cultures, different traditions, religions, food, dress and many more things that no other countries in the world is having. We have got rich heritage. Our country is known for its old traditions. It is very deep-rooted, very deep-rooted. And all over the world, we are known for many beautiful things. We are the first one who have developed many scientific researches. We had great astronomers, we had great mathematicians, we have got great philosophers, writers and many more. You know, Rabindranath Tagore, who is the great poet of our country, has written two beautiful songs, and these two beautiful songs is the national anthem for two beautiful countries like India and Bangladesh also. So we have got very rich heritage. No other country is having such great heritage, and we are formed in our one unity. You know, we are just united like this. We have got Hindus, we have got Muslims, Sikh, Christians, Jain, Buddhist, Parsis. We have got some Bangladeshis. Like that, many more people, you know, Nepalis, we have got many more people in our country having different religions. Each one of them are having different religions. Each one of them are having a way of worship in a very different. Some of us say Ishwar, some say Allah, some say Guru, some say, you know, we just put our heads down only. Some say we go to the temple, some Muslim church and some Gurdwaras. No other country has got such beautiful things, and yet we stand underneath one flag, and that is called our Indian flag. You know, that Tiranga Jhanda. Yet we stand on some of the special days, we stand underneath these, all these, we stand underneath that one flag, and that time we are not talking about our religion and we are not talking about our cultures. So today in this particular chapter I am going to teach you what are the various things which makes India our pride. Now, command, mera command, kis baat ka? For what we are just having India a very different, and we are making it our pride. Let's go through the chapter. I'm going to read the chapter for you. You are going to listen, and in between there are many important things which will come, and we will discuss about that. Before reading the chapter, I just want to tell you, there is at the beginning of the chapter, you know, at the beginning of the chapter we find some introductions here. Often a student is neglecting this particular thing. This is very important. This tells you the background of the chapter. India is my country, I love my country, and there are various reasons why I am proud of my motherland. So what we do, we take India as our motherland. This is our motherland. It is an ancient country having a rich heritage of cultures, noble traditions, love for fellow human beings. What else we are having? We are having noble traditions. We are having noble traditions. What we are having? We have got love for fellow men. many cultures, we do not disturb others. And we love. If you go to the villages and if you go to the common people, what you will find? They are celebrating the festivals with each other in a very beautiful manner. We have got diverse climate. We have got diverse climate. India is having, you know, 4 important seasons. Winter, summer, rainy, autumn, spring. How many countries are having so many seasons? कितने देशों में इतने सारे मौसम पाए जाते हैं? India is having so many seasons. So many beautiful seasons. कभी बहुत ठंड है and sometimes very hot. Sometimes too much of rain that we are just using umbrella, raincoat, and this much is water. And sometimes beautiful seasons outside. You know, the leaves are falling down, the trees are getting dried, and sometimes the butterflies are flying, the flowers are coming up. We have got all these beautiful seasons. No other country is having these kind of seasons. We have got great Himalayas in the north. But we have got great Himalayas. Heavy mountain ranges. Which country is having the Himalayas? We are having it. We have got Kashmir, the valleys of beautiful Kashmir. We have got Kashmir in our country. Okay? Kashmir is known as the heaven of the earth. Then we have got Agra. Agra, which is known for its beautiful buildings and monuments. Then we have got Goa, the great beaches of Goa. We have got the great beaches of Goa. So what is it in here? The country looks beautiful with a number of rivers, hills, valleys and coasts. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Saraswati, and there are so many rivers, holy rivers, great and divine rivers. Which country is having so many rivers? We have got coastlines, western coastlines, eastern coastlines. We have got coastlines also. Okay, Great Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. These are our coastal oceans and all. We have got seas coast also, and they are having bays. You know, normally when we are having straight coastal line like this, we are not having the harbors. But what happened? Our coastal lines are also like this. So we are having great harbors this side and this side. We are having great harbors. We have got beautiful beaches in the world. Goa has got some of the wonderful and beautiful beaches of the world. Tourists come to see in India. What they come to see? They come to Agra to see the Taj Mahal, the 7 wonders of the world. Red Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Qutub Minar at Delhi, and so many things are there. In Rajasthan, like Hawa Mahal and the Pink City, all these things. So what we find? We find not only the tradition, not only the fellow men, not only the diverse climate, not only so many seasons, great Himalayas, beautiful Kashmir, wonderful beaches of Goa, and many religions, okay, beautiful forts in Agra. We not only find this, we find beautiful plains, great, huge plains also, where our farmers are doing agricultural business. You know, we are the producers of many more crops. We export spices to rest of the world. We are the great producers of spices. We are the great producers of herbal medicines. We are the great producers of organic things. You know, India is leading in many of the things. We are the one. It is rich in minerals also. India is famous for gold. Many years ago, India was known as the Suniki Chiriya, you know, golden bird for the world. It was known as the Golden World. Odisha is known for iron ores and gold fields, and Bihar is known for mica. We have got so many industries, but what with all these beauties, with all these great things, yet India is poor country. Why we are poor? Because an average man's earning is below the poverty line. There is a line, there is a line marked. Many more times you will listen the word Garibi Rekha ke niche, Garibi Rekha ke niche. That's poverty line. Below that, there is a line made, a line for a standard line, which is assumed as that you are at least little bit earning. So yearly income per family is very less in our country. After so many years of independence, people are living below the poverty line. And there are many more things we can do. As a citizen of India, we can do that. People will not come from outside and they will do. We have to do it. They're saying, and how we can do it? It is a saying, unity in diversity. 5. Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Jain, Buddhists, and when they join together like this is one. No one can break this one. What is it? Unity in diversity. So we have to be very much proud. Pride. Take the pride in our motherland. All these 5 has to join like this. And when we are joining like this, that time only we are lifting ourselves up. We are not going down. The people of our country, they have got different religions, different languages, clothes, food, as I have said earlier. But in our heart, we have to be same. They all are Indians by heart, and we love our motherland. And that is why when we stand underneath that flag, we salute our flag and we say Jai Hind in one voice. Unless and until we are all together in one place like this, like a strong feast, we cannot develop. What will happen? Others will come and they will rule us. They will make us slave and will put our head in shame all the time. When we're not able to lift our head, in pride, our shoulders not straight, our eyes not looking at the person who is standing in front. So what this lesson teaches us? The lesson teaches us, feel pride. Feel pride that you are an Indian. Feel pride that you have got so many things. You have got so many things. Let your shoulders be strong enough, strong to take the burden of others. Let your neck be straight and head be high, so that you will feel peace inside and you will feel good about it. So this particular lesson teaches us many of the great things that we can do in future. I hope, dear children, you have understood the chapter very well. Okay, and there are many word meanings. You will find many of the word meanings given here. Many words simplified in a very easy way. There are some question answers also. At the end of the chapter, there are some question answers. We will discuss it in our other